Hi guys, don't forget to click the subscribe button as well as the bell notification, and don't forget to give the video the thumbs up. Okay guys, so we're going to make a pineapple coleslaw. So these are all the ingredients that we're going to need in order to make our pineapple coleslaw. So we have some fresh pineapple here. We have some lettuce. Traditionally you would use cabbage, but I'm using lettuce. We have some carrots here, some thyme, some mayo, some salt to taste, some sugar, some white pepper, and some cranberries. So it's quite simple. So let's get to putting everything together. Now, if you wish, you can add a little bit of pineapple juice to this to help make your sauce for your coleslaw. But I don't have any, so I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to mix this up, and if I need to add more mayo, then I will do that. So I'm just going to add in some of the pineapple here, or I wouldn't use all, I will just use some of it, leave back some for my breakfast tomorrow. So here I've added in the pineapple, so I'm just going to stir that around, and then I'm going to add in my cranberries. Then the rest of our ingredients. So there you have it, folks, our pineapple coleslaw. Once again, thanks for watching my video. Feel free to share with family and friends if you think that they will enjoy this video and this idea. And I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now. Now guys, just a suggestion. If it is you don't like the taste of white pepper, then I would suggest that you omit that. Personally, the next time I make this, I will omit the white pepper. I don't think the flavor of the white pepper really suits this very well. Maybe black pepper could work, but I personally would omit the white pepper next time. So just keep that in mind.